have 8 riders. Glenn Aguilar. Rami Nadosa. It's Glenn Aguilar, rider number 1.
So it's now GA1 leading for the veterans category. Followed by well, siguro tapusin lang natin yung
Alright, Glenn Aguilar leading the race.
so it's still GA1 leading.
Here comes the rest of the... Here we go, Glenn Aguilar, KDM. Followed by rider number 20, Johnny Brown. Rider number 205. Followed by rider number 2. 205. 525. There's rider number 1, rider number 11. Checking in.
So veterans
Yes, it's Glenn Aguilar, the Rocket, on the KTM. Wow! Experience of a pro rider. Of course, nasa veterans na po sila. So later on, makikita natin sa Pro Open ng mga young guns of Philippine Motocross.
yes,
So we have Glenn Aguilar checking in. Followed by rider number 3, Mr. Excitement himself. From Mitas Racing, rider number 3, Charlotte Howe.
staging, Joyce. Tintoy, punta na kayo rito. Nandito na yung Paklan.
Alright, we have a battle. Rider number 205, out first. It's now rider number... Next on deck will be the 65cc category. Alright, rider number 11 checking in, providing the back door. Glenn Aguilar, last and final lap. Checking in. Last and final lap for Glenn Aguilar. So, Glenn Aguilar is breaking away. So, napakalayo na kayo kay Jolette Howe. This is okay, Jolette Howe, checking in. Last and final lap.
Hello? Hello?
Yes, last and final lap for Glenn Aguilar and Jolette Howe. Let's go on the third rider. Sterling Statement. Yes, ready for the
Pakang Bernes.
For the checkered flag, we have PA1.